Have you ever wondered about the importance of organic pest control in your garden? It's a vital key to cultivating a vibrant, healthy garden while also preserving our environment. It's safe for your plants, you, and even the smallest critters. Discover how you can implement organic pest control in your garden with our step-by-step guide. Organic pest control is not as complex as it sounds. It's all about embracing nature's own systems to keep your garden thriving. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, we turn to natural methods and substances. Think of beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings that prey on pests, or consider organic sprays made from plant extracts that deter harmful bugs. It's a gentle, sustainable approach that gives back to the earth while protecting your plants. Now that you understand what organic pest control is, let's move on to how you can apply it in your garden. Implementing organic pest control involves a few simple steps. First, you need to identify the pests that are causing trouble in your garden. Are they insects, rodents, or perhaps a type of fungus? Once you've identified the culprits, the next step is choosing the right natural remedies. There's a wide range to choose from, including plant-based insecticides, biological controls, and even simple traps. After selecting your remedy, it's time to apply it. Remember, the goal is not to eradicate pests entirely, but to keep them at manageable levels. Finally, monitor the results. Keep a keen eye on your garden to ensure the pests are under control and your plants are flourishing. By following these steps, you can ensure a healthy, thriving garden without causing harm to the environment. Organic pest control is an effective and environmentally friendly way to maintain your garden. In essence, it's all about nurturing your plants naturally. We've covered the concept, the understanding, and the steps to implement it. Remember, it's not only beneficial for your plants, but also for the environment. It's a win-win situation. So why not give it a try in your own garden? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.